Not the guy that got you. I'm talking
No,
about
the
the
guy
girl.
that
The
scared
girl.
me,
The
yeah.
girl. The girl. The girl.
The girl's my friend, Nancy, but I don't have a phone number. But I can give you her address.
What's the address?
3900 Kings Highway. She's on the lot on Nancy Manuna.
Nancy Manuna.
Yeah, I got her a federal agent. She almost had a nervous breakdown because it was dance week. He was the only black man in a white club with me, and I was put up by black, not white. And we were dancing. Everybody was looking at her because I was dancing with her. He was a federal agent. And all the bartenders gave me free drinks.
Morgan Parkway.
And this is going back. That's it was all bedrooms. I used to very, very prejudiced people there. But I met Mick Jagger too.
Oh.
Oh, my house looked like crap, man. But Mick Jagger was very nice. Mick Jagger, once he saw my apartment, that was it, because my dog was ready to jump all over. I lost my apartment illegally. But that doesn't mean I can't go ahead in my life. But I mean, if anybody wants to take whatever last I have, you know, I think it's sad. I don't have millions of dollars on me. But the guy they got in court, he assaulted me.
But what about the other guy? The girl you was talking about. What's her name?
My girlfriend's Nancy Manuna at 3900 Kings Highway. Call Jack. I can't get Nancy's number. She had a nervous breakdown when I had the federal agent. But you're a good-looking man. You must be a famous person. You were very famous. All you need is some nice glasses. Not those. You need some blue shades. Let me tell you another thing. I told you to famous people. Columbia Records, all of that. That was an explosion at 911. After 911, I lost my job. I became an alcoholic from it. Elevators. Then I have a guy, I mean, that's why I'm over here with this stick. He took my stuff. But he tells me he got me a coat, right? Now this is going to scare you off. My fucking bumps in the coat. It wasn't my fault. Why would somebody want a coat with bed bugs? And I got Poster Bell over there and Flatbush. It's a salad. I bought 2 coats. What's going on with you? I bought a nice one coat. He's got good stuff, Poster Bell. You know that. I don't hurt anybody. I'm just heartbroken. I am. But Jack is good at the ball. He's the only one who came through. And you know what? For $60 for a bodyguard, that's not bad. He knows how it's done. But I know Joe Cosby too. After go CBS FM and Goodbye Johnny. BLS, I don't know anybody there. I don't know. You seem like a very famous person.
I wish.
I don't have no good life. I don't hurt people. I found this part of the street. I scared shit I can see the whole day. Listen, my girl is a nice person. This guy's a was Timberland's son. I think this white guy's a piece of shit. Dr. Horswell from Columbia University. He takes it to Applebee's and then Applebee's gave him a couple of dollars, and then you know what? Then he tells me that he's not gay or anything. So I went after him to see what kind of bullshit it is. You don't care about nobody.
Eh?
Well, how old are you, man? That's why I'm being too personal.
48.
25?
Yeah?
Good-looking man, bro.
Thank you. I wish.
You'll make it. I met Bruce Willis the other day. I met Snoop Dogg. I like Snoop Dogg a lot.
Yeah?
Gangsters in Rhythm, one of the greatest songs. I said you look like a man that records. But you see what happened was I went behind the scenes and I worked delivering to meet people.
Years ago or this
Yeah,
recent?
years ago.
Oh,
I'm not well enough.
right.
I'm 59 years old. Let me tell you, sweet pussy is great. Nice person. Rhythm and Gangsters. You ever heard that song?
Yes.
I love sweet pussy.
He's good.
I met
Yo, you got a cigarette? A cigarette.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
someone I'll pay down to something.